Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be doing a mini review on the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette. So I purchased this palette for $32 US, and this is the palette right out the box. Before we get into today's video, I'd like to show you guys the palette, and let's do some swatches as well. So there are 5 rows in this palette, and for the swatches I will be starting off right here and then working my way down. So there are 5 rows with 8 shades on the top 2 rows and 2 bottom rows, while the middle row only has 7 shades. So these are the colors in the first row. Here's the second row. Here's the middle row, which has really good transition colors. This is the fourth row. And finally, this is the fifth row. So in total, there are 24 matte shades, including the middle row, and there are 15 shimmer shades. I also purchased this 12-piece eye credible set. So for both items, I will be leaving a link in the description box. So the brush set came with this bag right here. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Also, let me know what you guys think about the palette, and thank you guys so much for watching.